Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by making sure the Switch Pro has power and Steam is ready to accept it. Put the controller in wired or pairing mode. This reduces connection issues while you configure. Once done, open Steam and switch to Big Picture or Controller settings so Steam recognizes new devices. Make sure Steam is up to date and the Steam input setting is enabled. This allows Steam to remap inputs and apply configurations designed for non-native controllers. Now proceed to pair the controller. You pair the Switch Pro via Bluetooth or use a USB cable. Choose USB for lower latency. Once paired on your PC, go to Steam's controller settings and enable Switch Pro support so Steam loads tailored bindings. Then open controller configuration for the game you want and map buttons, set dead zones, and adjust stick response. These changes affect aim and movement feel. If you use gyro, enable and calibrate it here. Finally, save your layout to the Steam cloud so you don't lose it. You now test your configuration in a game or Steam's controller test tool. This quickly reveals mismapped buttons or sensitivity problems. If aiming is twitchy, reduce sensitivity or increase smoothing. If sticks drift, raise dead zones. Once comfortable, save a profile per game. If the controller disconnects or is unresponsive, repair it, toggle Switch Pro support off and on, and update USB or Bluetooth drivers. These steps fix most connection and recognition errors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.